head here, not in the garage. Let everybody know I just got through with the Metal Earth Apollo CM or CSM Command Service Module with Lunar Module. There's the instructions. The only comment I have on the instructions is study them very well before you begin. This kit is difficult, and they mean it. They do mean it's difficult, but it's a wonderful kit. It's a wonderful subject. If you're going to start a project like this, I do suggest, first of all, that you have a tube of super glue handy, because you are going to break parts. No ifs, ands, or buts. First part I started on this thing, step one, I did everything backwards and broke it. So, being stainless steel, you can super glue the parts back together if you're careful. One of the nice things this kit comes with is this. It's a reproduction of the Apollo 11 plaque on the limb that we left on the moon. And any space nerd will attest that the price alone for this is well worth it. But then the kit, oh my goodness. I mean, we have thrusters, we have the antennas, I mean, and remember, this is all flat pieces when you start. You fold, you shape, you twist. They do give you a few extra parts, thankfully, because some of my quad thrusters broke while I was forming them. The RCS quads. This is the Apollo 11 representation. So therefore we're going to have some silver pieces in mixed with the gold. The gold is incredible. The detail on this is just outstanding. Yes, you put stands and everything together. I mean, the thrust structure, the photo etching, this is just an outstanding kit. It's a beautiful desktop model, as are all the Metal Earth models. I've not found a bad one yet, and they're all highly detailed. Did a Hogwarts train earlier and a Voyager spacecraft, and they're all exceptional quality. They still have the Hubble. So, steam locomotives, sailing ships, do visit their 360 site right here. The 360 view of this is not set up yet, but the parts that I initially messed up with, you can view them there, and I would suggest, like they do, go to their website, take a look at the model before you begin. This is, they say no glue required. They're right, but because of my fumble-fingeredness, I needed it. And gosh, I like this look. And it's not embossed, it's actually etched metal. And this is all raised. So they didn't just stamp it. That's what makes it an outstanding plaque, in my opinion. But anyway, those are the things that I've been up to lately. I do want to thank you for letting me ramble for a few minutes, and have a wonderful day.